What's going on, guys? It's CAD Lab CNC, straight out of West Palm Beach. Look how beautiful it is outside. I've had some camera equipment that I have never used before, and being that we are deciding to take this a lot more serious and just record non-stop all the time, I want to kind of play around with some of this stuff here. Like, I know you guys see I got the mic on me, the wind mic. Okay, all right, not a big flex. I got the, can you guys see? I got the transmitter. And we're gonna be grabbing the big boy camera, setting him up on this guy right here. Also, we pretty much have a donated boat at all times. So yeah, we're gonna be even doing fishing trips on this thing. We're gonna be trying to record all the time. See, like, usually I wouldn't even pick up a camera if my sides weren't perfectly and my eyebrow, you know what I mean? So like, we're gonna be recording all the time. You're gonna see us busted. You're gonna see us with chips all over us. You're gonna see us with shirts that look like we crawled out of like the deepest pit. We're gonna be recording, and that's just what we're gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna be trying to set up a drone that I've had in my bag for probably the longest time ever, and I don't know how to fly this thing, and I don't know how this thing works, but I know off the bat I've already bought it like these polarized caps that sit on the front of the camera and just give you like a better view instead of that, you know, instead of your videos coming out like super white. I know these help you with that. Here's the remote, and I'm gonna pull this guy out and just see what we can do. I have the blades in here. There's a little joystick just flopping around in there, but I don't know. I watched a couple videos, so I'm not gonna sit here and act totally oblivious to the fact that this thing, if not, you know, flown with proper caution, can definitely create some damage. I have a lot of wires hanging around here, so this might be a little scary, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from putting this thing in the air. I've been waiting for a long time, so wish me luck, guys. What are you doing? Want to help me record?
Yes, sir. Give me a second.
So we have the stand set up. Actually, I'm a little pumped. I'm actually a little pumped. Check this mic out. I only use my main camera for like photos. I'm really not that good at videos. You see these people on Instagram just posting crazy reels like this D2 Shots. Man, he does crazy stuff. I just don't have the time. We're usually working all the time. So check this out. We have, oh, look at that new packaging. Shiver me timbers. Absolutely beautiful. Nice boxes. All right. Looking stable. Looking stable. Then they take their blades. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if I remember seeing push down, rotate, and it'll lock. It has the symbols on the blade, it looks like. It says to press the power button. Oh, whoa. Okay. we have to remove this. There we go. Oh yeah, the app. Oh dude, you wanna know what? We never put a memory card in this thing. Wow, we were gonna take flight with no memory card. Oh, it just wants me to flip it all the way upside down. Is that good? Check. Calibration completed. Here we go. Oh shit! Whoa, 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 whoa. This is like high enough, right? Like I don't need to go any higher than this. All right, let's go a little higher. Can you see me? All right, let's take off. I think that's the highest I want to go, to be honest with you. Is it still recording? Yeah. All right, cool. All right, we can rotate the camera up and down. All right, guys, to our left here, this is called Sunset Park, and it's called Sunset Park for a reason, because the sun comes up here and it actually sets here. One of my favorite parks. I think this way is the beach. All the beaches. Probably like over here is Peanut Island. All right, let's drive down a little bit. All right, guys, let's go. We have officially landed. And a lot of people were saying this thing drains your battery pretty bad. I don't know. We're probably like on 26%, so probably. You want to fly it in the shop? You want to fly this in the shop? Slide in the shop. Whoa. I don't got a good feeling about this. Send it.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the diner. Oh, 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 serves this up her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's
Man, we flew a drone in the shop, guys. That was completely amazing, bro. Like, I mean, I don't really know what I would like incorporate using this drone to. Like, I don't know if I would like, you know, actually put it in any of our shoots, but I can see this thing doing some serious damage. This thing is absolutely bomb. Guys, that's us flying the drone. We're gonna start recording more. This is just the beginning. Everything we do, we record if it doesn't or does make sense. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm gonna get a little better with this thing, and hopefully we can bring this on a fishing trip or something like that. I don't know. We haven't taken a fishing trip in a while. I think it's time we take that boat out and see if we could actually get on some mahi-mahi, tuna, kingfish at mike.com. You know what I mean? Well, what do you think, bro? This guy, all he wants to do is work. Like, he's not even interested in any of this. All he wants to do is anodize and work. Man in the zone here. Yeah. All right, bro. We'll catch you guys. Take care. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. You know what I mean? Like whatever you got to do to put us out there, get us out there. That's what we need. Want to communicate with everybody? Comment down below so we can talk and we could just enjoy what we do. Definitely want to do more machining videos. And yeah, till the next time. See you guys.